Hello guys, I hope you do be very well. Today is Tuesday, it's 12:30 when we are about to analyze market. The market is in a bearish trend and Cardano is not in a good position, have low in prices. Let's inspect this. Let's start with Bitcoin. Here we can see and pretends that Bitcoin is trying to pull back to the area which has been broken. We have an important area for Bitcoin, and it can be touched and pulled back and turns the way to upper prices after pullback. And we have a new trend line here. Getting Bitcoin to lower prices is completely neutral. Ethereum, it had a long way to the upper prices. They should have a really good reduction of price. You should see this. You should believe this. If we see Ichimoku till 3.7 until the cloud, we can see it coming down, and but we don't expect huge falls, and also we can't predict that we have a bearish trend, but we our floors are upper side of each other, and as you can see, the trend is bullish. This floor should be broken, 3,875. Then we can say, oh, we are going into bearish trend. BNB. Let's see this bizarre here. This bizarre movement. Between 480 and 500, it's just making neutral movements, and you can buy in 480 and sell in 500. That's just it. ADA has a really bad fall, and when it broke the trend line, it went into a... But I can say that we can buy ADA in lower prices, and which this is good. And which this is so good, and we can have it. Right now we have it in low prices, in good situations. But for those guys who want to buy professionally Cardano, you should wait. You should wait to break this RSI trend line. Then you should get positions and buy Cardano. You just have to wait. Right now you just have to wait to break the trend line in RSI. For SLR, what happened here? We had a flag with 6% of profit. Our first target, play that area, we had 6% in first target, and we have 12% in our second target. With 12% profit, we sell 50%. 6%, 20% out, 12% profit, 50% out. And the other part, which remains for 0.43, the target, 0.44, until to reach that target. For those guys who want to interstellar right now, you can buy it between 0.39 and 0.40. As you can see, you can buy it. It's almost a good position to buy. And we can probably hit for the first target, which is going to be 0.42. Your second target would be for 0.44. Ripple. This is in this scenario to break the ceiling up there, the top side. We are in that scenario right now. We bought one time for 12% profit. We sold it completely. For you guys, for those guys who are going to enter right now between 1.34 and 1.35, you can buy it. And the targets which we can put in place for you guys for Ripple is 1.5, 1.6 your second target, and 1.8 will be your third target. After that, we can have it very good pump. Let's go through Polkadot, and as you can see, it has a struggle with that trend line above its head, and it's not good just for buying right now. It should have a little more reduction in its price. We have to wait a little bit more. For Dogecoin, it had a fall again. Let's have a trend line, draw a trend line for it, and a new trend line for floors. We have a good position yet to buy it, and it's a good area. 0.29 till 0.30. Your first target will be 0.30. Your first target can be 0.33. Your second target will be 0.35. And then they can get into really high prices and have a good pump right there. And as you can see, the targets are upper. But this little two first targets should be broken first. Then we will have a good movement of that. Bitcoin Cash. I don't like it right now. EOS. It has good potentials to get into higher prices. It's up there. These are important resistance. And these can be good supportive positions. EOS can have a good position to enter because we have 2 or 3 currencies to buy. We shouldn't give you buy signals immediately. Let's put this for those guys who have EOS. Please don't buy this. For you guys have, which this is one of your properties, you can get out of these targets in 7.42 and $8. Then you can get out. I mean sell. those guys who have EOS. For those guys who don't, which EOS is not one of their property, wait until to have it for 5.43, then buy it. CHR currency, we told you to buy there. Step by step, we told you to buy it, and it hasn't gone up yet. And this is the time we have to get out of this currency, but without any losses. I want you to get out of CHR completely, sell it all, and sell it completely in 0.4445. You have to sell it completely. Wink, if you have it, get out of Wink. It had one target, but get out and sell it. 1 inch has touched the first and second target. We are out for 40% of our property, and the reduction of price happened and can goes up. We are out 2 of targets. For those guys who hasn't bought 1 inch, you can buy in 3.6 right now. You can buy, and your first target will be 3.9, and over that it can goes to $5. BTT, oh, this is so messed up. First target has been touched. The second one, 2. All those trend lines are important, which we have, but I don't see it so intriguing. And we had 24% profit. If you are out completely, that's good. I don't see it very well, because yes, this is because we haven't touched the top side of the channel, and it can break this channels. I mean the trend line, as you can see, and it will be so bad, and it's not intriguing. It's better for you to sell it. For Charon, we are waiting a little bit more, and we have limit on 0.95. Place a limiter. Matic, not so much intriguing. No. It has a not good relative strength index. So let's clear it. As you can see again, it hasn't touched again like previous one. But this is a really powerful a powerful place that can bring it down. If it was if it became to 1.40, 1.50, you can buy it. You can place a limiter. See, it's at currency. Once the second time we bought down there, and we bought one time down. Right now it is good to get in because it's on its RSI, and we can buy in. It's a good position, I think, to ensure. RVN, nothing. Solo line just goes up and up and up and doesn't wait. It wants to reach the Bitcoin. They're just clapping for it. Let's go through all this. It's a bearish trend completely, and we can have also short position right now. The bought there, touched our first target, then came for a fall, and we went out. We told you to sell it, but we can have it for a short position. It's not bad. It was a good position. It was a good area, and it broke it. This area has been broken so many touches, about seven touches, and it all has been broken. We can have a short position. It's not bad. Between $18 and $19, get short position of olives till $16 and $15 as targets. $16 and $15. Kava. If you have it, sell it completely, because the trend is going to be so bad and probably will fall. Falcon touched the $120, and we can see a turn back the lower prices. Axie, it can have a bad fall and bearish time because it's breaking. It's trend lined. The whole market, I think, has a bad trend, and we can go into a bearish trend for all currencies almost, and this is so bad. Hot snow, wet. Our first target touched, and it's coming to lower prices. We can buy it down there. No point 135. Okay, listen to me. CRE. Let's check it out first. It has a very distance. It's far from trend line. Altcoins are in falling process. I mean, they're in their bearish process, and it can be also a little bit bad. But we can't see in Bitcoin and Ethereum any kind of bearish movement. But altcoins are getting into lower prices and can experience a little bit more bad. Don't buy ADA at all. Wait until to be back. And also we have all this and short positions and 2 or 3 currencies to buy. But unfortunately, this week I think we have a bad, not supportive market. And we will have some kind of resistance, and you have to be very careful about this. And you should find good floors, good supportive position, supportive areas to buy. For example, Terra, you can buy it in 0.095. This is a good place to buy, and you can go with it. Have a good day, and I'll catch you later.